Hello, everybody. Caroline Lee here. I am excited to go over the new wellness programs that doTERRA just released at convention this year, 2020. And we're just going to talk about why these programs were set up. And then we're going to highlight the relief program so that you can kind of just really have targeted wellness and know exactly what products you need to be using. So doTERRA just recently had their convention and they released 3 wellness programs: immunity, relief, and mind and mood. So these are tracks, 90-day tracks that you can add to your loyalty rewards order. So it's not an enrollment. You can't just go in and enroll with one of these programs. You actually have to get a starter kit, and then you can choose one of these the next month to be in your program. You can actually choose multiple wellness programs, but for the sake of making this super simple, just choose one to get started with, okay? But this goes for 90 days. If you leave it on in your cart, it's gonna repeat again and start with the first kit until you remove it to it. So what do you need to know about the wellness program? So they start October 1st. It's the first time you're gonna be able to add that to your loyalty rewards order and save it. So you choose which one you want to kit you want to do, put it in your shopping cart and save that template. It does run for 90 days, so you'll get 1 kit per month, and so you'll be $75 the first month, $75 the second, third, and so forth, as long as you're in that wellness program. Every time you receive one of the kits, it's going to charge you $75. It's going to be worth 60 PV. So it's designed for you not to have to go in and change it to month 2 or month 3. It's going to automatically do that for you, so you don't have to think anything about it. You just kind of set it and know that you're on that wellness program. If you ever want to take it off, you're just going to delete it from your LRP template. It just will remove it. Anytime that you put it back on your template, it's going to remember where it left off. So if it left off on kit number 2, then you'll start up with kit number 2 in the program again. Now, what's great about these kits is they actually come with exclusive and limited time only products in them. So things that you're not going to normally get, like the On Guard dental floss or the massage ball from the Mind and Mood kit. You can't get them anywhere else but with these kits. So the very first month you're going to get your products for the desired program in a neoprene bag, which is basically a reusable bag that you can put lots of different stuff in it. But it's designed so you can put all your products in for that particular wellness program and have that ready for when things arise. In month 2 and month 3, you're actually going to get a reusable pouches. And then doTERRA is actually going to launch a few more kits come 2021. So probably in February, March, around leadership time is probably when those are going to be released. So we're so excited to cover the relief wellness program. So if you are one of those people that are suffering with aches and pains on a daily basis, or maybe you're starting an exercise program, or you're going to be more physically active and you want to really target on this wellness program, you can with the relief kit. Okay, so this is month 1. This is what you're going to receive on month 1. You're going to get a 5 ml of Deep Blue. You're going to get a 15 ml of Aroma Touch blend, which is the massage blend. You're going to get the Deep Blue polyphenol complex, as well as some Deep Blue rub packets. So these are great to be able to put in your purse or your gym bag, first aid kit, so that you have the Deep Blue rub really accessible. And then of course you're going to get this Deep Blue massage ball, which is designed for you to apply the oils and then you just kind of roll over it and massage the muscle with it, which is going to drive the oils in deeper to the tissues. So again, a lot of the relief is going to be in muscles. And so this is going to be a great thing. Now, one of the things that doTERRA has with the supplement program is you can actually customize your supplements. So once you have the Lifelong Vitality Pack or the Daily Nutrient Pack in your template, it will actually allow you to add on some additional products for a reduced price. So in the case of these, you're going to get 20% off of any of these add-ons. So you can see on the left of the screen, you can add on an extra Aroma Touch, you can do a Helichrysum 5 ml, some polyphenols, copaiba, soft gels, or the oil, or the turmeric dual caps. All these products are great for pain relief. You might even see it in the other months kits as well, but you'll get 20% off by adding that. You can add up to 3 products per program that you're on. Okay, so if you have 2 relief programs in your shopping cart, then you can add up to 6, right? If you only have 1 relief wellness program in your shopping cart, then you can add up to 3. Okay, just like the vitamins. All right, let's see what month 2 looks like. So month 2, the add-ons are going to begin in that reusable bag, the bag instead of the neoprene bag. And this was going to come with a full bottle of Deep Blue Rub. So last month you got to test it out, the Deep Blue Rub. Now you actually get the container. You get the bottle of wintergreen, which is very, very warming to the skin. So in the cooler months, that's probably one that you're going to want to use more than the Deep Blue Rub or the Deep Blue Oil, because it's a little bit cooling. We want the warming aspect on that. And then we have the Copaiba soft gel, so you get to try that. And then your exclusive product that you have is actually a smaller Deep Blue Rub. Now this will come to you empty, so then you can just fill up from this container into that one, and it's a little bit smaller, makes it easier for you to travel and experience the Deep Blue Rub as you need it. Now, my hint with the Deep Blue Rub, my tip for that is to use a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Deep Blue Rub is great for massaging in. So again, you can add any 3 products each month. If you don't have to do that, but this is just an additional savings if you wish to order some more product dealing with the relief. Now, month 3, these are the add-ons that you're going to get. This is a lot of product for you, and there are some new containers for you to take a look at. So in Relief 3, for the first time ever, you're actually going to get the past tense blend, which is known as the tension blend. It's great for head tension or tension that we store often in our shoulders as we're typing on the computer or leaning over in our back. This one usually is in a roller ball, but you'll see that it's in a 15 ml and it has the safety cap. And this is because it has the wintergreen on in it, and regulations have told us that we need to make sure we have a safety cap on that, okay? Because we don't want to accidentally ingest this. So this is designed so you can actually make your roller balls. So you're going to actually have 3 roller balls, so you can actually dilute that. We got a little bit tiny bottle of fractionated coconut oil, so you can make a Deep Blue roller. You can also make a past tense roller with those particular oils that you have. And then you get to try the turmeric dual caps in this one as well, okay? So this is what is in month 3. Now remember, if you don't take this off your LRP template, it's actually gonna start with month number 1 again for you. So if you don't want it to repeat, then go ahead and take it off and try a new wellness program. If not, if this is a constant thing that you have, and you're gonna actually save a lot more money by going through the wellness program and getting the products that way. So all you have to do, starting October 1st, is add this to your shopping cart, your LRP shopping cart, right? You can't do a standard order. It has to be through the Loyalty Rewards program, and then save it and forget it. It's going to send it to you a new one every single month, $75 every month, and you'll get to try different products to help support that targeted wellness that you desire. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. As always, I'm here to help with your essential oil needs, or you can reach out to the person who sent you this video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.